Hi, welcome back. This is Jennifer ScrappinCain. Today I'm showing an 11 by 8.5 layout using the Scraproom kit. I am on the design team and I am using the 49 and Market. And this is the Botanical, I believe is what it's called. It has bumblebees in beautiful yellow and teal colors. I have some neutral photos that I'm going to use with it of my son playing with his hamster, and he absolutely loved this hamster. We had this hamster for almost 3 years, and she was the most tame, beautiful hamster ever. She never bit. She was always very good and well behaved, and he just loved her to pieces. And this was when we first got her, and he's holding her over a box because he was afraid if he dropped her, she would run away. She never ran away. She would always just sit there and wait for him to pick her back up, and it was always so cute. So here I have hexagons, which I love. You can give me all the hexagons and I will figure out a way to use them on a layout. So I have die cut pieces, title pieces, and tickets. I have Little Dreamer as one of the titles, Live in the Moment, which is the one I use for this layout, Follow Your Heart. So I got some really great titles and a few little pieces to use on the layout. So this is the flavors of the month kit. This is the 3 papers that you receive in the kit. So these are the 12 by 12s. I love that flower paper, but I love this side even better. And the wood grain has my heart. As usual, I love a good wood grain. And the opposite side of that other one, I also love. I think that if you put those two together, you actually would have a double page layout. I didn't show that, but that is the idea behind it. And then I have 2 pieces of cardstock. I have this blue hexagon paper, and I love the blue in this color, in this collection. Sorry. It's like a teal blue. It's not teal teal, but it's not mint either, so it's definitely on the blue side. I love the one with the mixed media on the other side, but each one, I think I love both sides of them. Those were the pattern paper add-ons, and then here we have some tickets and then some laser cuts. And I believe I already showed the rub-ons, maybe not. I don't know. I was talking about the papers so much, I think I forgot. But some of the laser pieces were already like falling out, which is fine. I end up just putting them in the baggie anyways. But I got the fence and a couple of little beehives and little bottles of honey. So right now I'm just punching out the bigger pieces that seem to be loose. And I'm going to put them over here with the ephemera pieces just so that I don't lose them. I was making sure none of the other littler ones fell off. I found one more little bumblebee. And like I said, they're great to use on the layouts and they punch out very easily. So I like that. I got this one here with Shots of Life, and this is the laser cuts, and this paper here is actually Shots of Life. It's the rub-ons that I received for the embellishment kit. So here is the back side, which looks like, what is that? Burlap. And then the other side is cards. So on this layout, what I decided to do was cut the smaller photos into hexagons so that it shows the little hamster up close. And then I kept the cute photo of him smiling and showing me squibbles, as he called her, which is from Doc McStuffins, if you've ever watched that cartoon on the Disney Channel. And she is a doctor of stuffed animals, and she has this cute little, I don't even know what it is. It's like a little squishy ball thing that rolls around, and they call him Squibbles. And that's what he ended up naming his hamster, which we just thought was so cute. And like I said, she was an adorable little hamster. So that first little hexagon with the brown, the wood grain, I decided just to put a piece of the paper behind it. It's actually going to be where the title is going to end up going. So that was the reason that I kind of left it kind of blank, but kind of gave it a little bit of something behind it. And then the photos I cut into hexagons, and I also die cut out hexagons from the burlap paper, which I used paper from behind the photo frame so that I wasn't cutting into a whole lot of that paper, so that I have it to use on another layout. With 49 Market, I always try to use as much of the paper as possible. So if it means die cutting something out from behind something, I definitely will do that to stretch the paper, because I love 49 Market. It is probably one of my favorite companies to work with. I would say along with Vicky Boutin, but now that Vicky Boutin is a part of 49 Market, it's like marriage made in heaven, because I love both of them. So I'm really excited that she now works for 49 Market. So here I have these tickets, and I'm going to add those in, just kind of adding a little bit extra here and there around the layout, and to cover up some of the empty space in the photo. And that one there, I added down at the bottom, it does say something on it. Let me see. It says treasured memories, which definitely this is a treasured memory, because, like I said, he loved Squibbles. Squibbles was his favorite thing of all time. And he was not in school at this time. He was 4 when we got Squibbles, and he was about 6.5, I guess, almost 7 when she passed away. And he was devastated when she passed away, because, like I said, he absolutely loved her, and he would just carry her around. He'd put her in his pocket of his shirt, and she would just stay there. Like, I've never seen a hamster, even his other hamsters that he had after her. He's had 2 other ones after her. And one of them, Peanut, came very close to being just as tame as her. But yeah, she definitely was a great first pet. That little string that I tied on that ticket was just from my stash. It's just a little piece of ribbon. And then I tied it with embroidery floss around the bottom part of it. And that was just so that the knot wouldn't be so thick. So now I'm going to figure out how I'm going to lay these other hexagons and the photos around. And like I said, I have 3 photos. They're all cut into hexagons. And then that larger hexagon at the top, where it's going to be my title, I decided to, this one here, I fussy cut from one of those 3x4 cards, the yellow one. So I only have a portion of it, since I cut it off from the paper that I backed the photo with. So it was like a little trimming piece that I cut off, and I only had enough of it to trim it out, but it adds that little pop of yellow down there at the bottom. So I like that. I definitely want to add the colors all around the layout. So adding that pop of yellow down at the bottom just brings your eye around the layout. And then you have the pop of yellow up at the top in the title with Moment. And even though there's bumblebees in this collection versus hamsters, I think it's really cute to use with animals. I know a couple of the designers have used it with their dogs and cats, and it definitely can lean towards that too. So here I punched out a couple of smaller hexagons just to add a few more, and that is it. That is going to be my layout complete. I love the way this turned out. It does leave me a little bit of room down at the bottom to add just a little bit of journaling about how he was getting to know Squibbles, and this was how he would hold her over the box in case he dropped her, and then after a while he would just hold her and walk around with her. And like I said, she was so sweet. So I will have the information down below for the Scraproom kits. Make sure you pick up your Scraproom kit this month, because it is pretty amazing. And please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, go ahead and follow me on my channel, and I will see you over there. Bye.